guy won't let me vlog.
I'm just testing it out, bro. I'm just playing.
Look how clear that is. Hey,
it looks good.
It's more clear than my camera.
It's better than mine. It's better than that. Yeah, you're right.
Don't say that.
Dynasty JVM for St. Jude's car charity. All the proceeds are going to St. Jude's for research and research for illnesses and stuff like that.
talking. Man, y'all waking up, man. Who brought coffee? Somebody got coffee? Alright, man, light it up. Woo! Just a little taste. Oh, man. Yeah, give it up, y'all. Come on. Alright, man, light it up. Tingo. Oh, man. Light up. Pull up a little more. You got it, man. Pull up a little more. A little more. Come to me, come to me. Alright, there you go, watch out. Alright, you got the exhaust coming out the side, so go ahead and make way. You ready, man? Alright, make some room. Light it up! There you go. There you go. My bad. Watch out. Watch out. Alright. You want to give it a little more? Alright. He's going to give it some more. Oh. One more go. Let's do it. My man. There you go. There you go. Alright, make some room, make some room. Alright, y'all. So we got a side exhaust, so. Watch out the way. Alright, man, you ready? Alright, man, light it up. There you go. Yo, man, does that thing double as a seat warmer for you? It's right on the. Alright, that's what's up. There you go, there you go. Almost there, almost there. And. Alright, perfect, right there, right there. Alright. Back up here. This is the flame zone, man. Hey, back the van up. Y'all been to Aqua World, right? Y'all know about the splash zone? It's just like the splash zone, but with fire. So make sure y'all got some room, alright? Alright. Get y'all s'mores ready. You ready? Alright, man, light it up. There you go. Alright, y'all, man. How'd y'all like that? That was good, right? Alright, cool, cool. Remember about the splash zone, man. We got fire coming out these things. Alright, sir. You ready?
Alright, what's going on, guys? So my name is Jules. This is my 2011 Honda Civic Si. It has a bunch of OEM parts in there. There's the Mugen wing, rear, side. They got the HFP front lip and the carbon fiber hood. I make YouTube videos about this car. It's mainly about bags. I have a bag set up on here with the Hisenses, the Airlift Performance 3H. So if you guys want to, check out my channel. It's at Evil Street Shark, one word. And check out all the dope content that I have for the channel. I make daily videos of this car every single day.
This is a homage beat.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the points of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.